Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're in Atlantic City, currently on Pacific Avenue at the front of Caesars Hotel and Casino. We're going to do a walkthrough of this hotel real fast on the way up to the room, where we'll do a room tour shortly. It's October. I'm here for restaurant week, so I booked a room here. It wasn't comped, unfortunately, but wasn't too bad of a price. And it's October. It's restaurant week, like I said. And I guess the horses are dressed in pink because October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And again, this is Pacific Avenue. You see the Caesars parking garage on the left-hand side and the walkways going over Pacific Avenue to connect you to the hotel and the casino. At the entrance, we have Morton's Steakhouse here at Caesars, and this is the valet area as well as the Uber and Lyft pickup and drop-off area. And this is not a full hotel and casino tour. This is just a little brief tour as we head up to the room. If you want to see a full tour, of course, you can see Caesar videos here from Atlantic City on the New York channel. And if you do watch those, you'll know that Caesars has a 2-level casino, and we're about to see the lower level here. And if we go up these escalators, we have the main level as well as the front desk and registration area. So hold on tight. Let's check out briefly the hotel and casino here at Caesars and then do a tour of the room. Here we have Taza. It's open 24/7. You can flavor your day at Taza, the Caesars Atlantic City coffee bar located in the heart of the hotel lobby. And on the left we have Gordon Ramsay Pub and Grill. The award-winning chef brings his Vegas restaurant to the Jersey Shore for his first restaurant in Atlantic City. And there's Caesar, as always, pointing in the direction of my hotel room. Thanks, dude. Tonight I'm staying in the Centurion Tower of Caesars here in Atlantic City in room 3135. It's not the 31st floor, even though it says 31. In Caesars here, you subtract 10 flights from your floor number, and that's the floor you're actually on. So I'm in 31, 35. I'm actually on the 21st floor. I don't know how Caesars gets away with that, but they added 10 flights to every room number. But I guess they can call the room numbers whatever they want. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, please hit that subscribe button and smash that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. 3135 happens to be a corner room here at Caesars. And here we are, room 3135 on the 21st floor. And again, this is a Centurion Tower King non-smoking ocean view room. An ocean view in Atlantic City. All the resort fees and upgrades in Las Vegas can't buy you that. So I'm here for a restaurant week, and this room costs about $100 total for the evening. That includes resort fees. What'd you think of the Caesars room? Let me know in the comments below. By the way, there's a hidden TV in the bathroom mirror. There's a remote control attached to the wall, and if you just hit the power button, magically a TV appears within the mirror. I had the same feature at the Flamingo in Las Vegas.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.